This is the solution video for section 2.6, problem number 6. So the directions say find the equation of the line tangent to the curve at the point defined by the given value of t. All right, so for number 6, we have x equals 2t squared plus 3, y equals t to the fourth, and t equals -1. All right, so first thing we need to do, if we want to write the equation of a tangent line, we need to know a point and a slope. So the point is going to be x evaluated at t equals -1, comma, y evaluated at t equals -1. All right, so we need to do each of those. All right, so x evaluated at t equals -1 is 2 times -1 squared plus 3. So -1 squared is 1, 2 plus 3 is 5. So the x value is 5, comma, the y value, y, not g, y evaluated at t equals -1 is going to be -1 to the fourth, which is 1. So 5, comma 1 is our point. All right, so then the next thing we need to do is we need to find the slope. All right, so now remember, the slope of the tangent line is going to be dy dx. So that's the first thing we need to find. So dy dx. Well, how do I do that? So remember, when we have x as a function of t and y as a function of t, we are going to find dy dt and then dx dt, and then we are going to divide. So dy dt is 4t cubed. Dx dt is 4t. And so we want to find dy dx by taking dy dt divided by dx dt. And so dy dt is 4t cubed and dx dt is 4t. So that means that if I simplify, I get t squared. So dy dx is t squared. All right. And so we want to evaluate dy dx when t is equal to -1, because then we will find the slope of the tangent line. So dy dt evaluated at t equals -1. So -1 quantity squared. So that is 1. So we have our point, we have our slope. So the equation of the tangent line, y minus 1 equals slope of 1 times x minus 5.